Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Mail Academy. Today we are going to learn how to convert TIFF to Outlook. Search on Google Bit Recover Save to Outlook Wizard. Click on Download. Install now. Click on Select Files option to select your TIFF files from a folder. Click on Select Folders option to select folders containing TIFF files. Select TIFF Files folder. Select Destination folder. Trial version converts limited 25 items by license to get the unlimited access. Buy activate the software here. Converted PST file. Click on File. Click on Open and Export. Click on Open Outlook Data File. Select PST file. Folder hierarchy. Converted emails.